Welcome back. In our last session, we applied some formatting to our marketing budget to make it look more professional and easier to read. It's definitely looking better, but we're still not done. In this session, we are going to do some general cell managing and alignment using different tools. First, I'm going to change the column width just to give a little more room. Just like everything in Excel, there are different ways to do this. So let me show you the most common ones. One method is to try and adjust all single columns manually. Now, this works by dragging the boundary on the right side of the column heading until the column is the width you want. The problem with this one is that, it will be difficult to keep a similar width in all columns. Now, to change the width for multiple columns, select the columns that you want to change and then drag any of the boundaries of the selected columns to the right. Pretty cool, right? Now, this method works the same for the rows, but instead of using the right boundary, you'll use the lower boundary of the row you want to modify. If you select multiple rows, simply drag any of the lower boundaries to the height you want. A common alternative that allows you to use precise measurements is by using the Format in the Home tab. Similarly to the previous methods, select all the columns we want to modify. Then, making sure you are in the Home tab, go to Format and click on it to display its menu. Immediately, you'll see different options to modify rows and columns, just what we need. In this case, select Column Width. Excel will ask you to enter a new value for the width of your columns. I'm gonna try 15 and click OK. Nice, already looks better. Now, let's modify the rows. I'll go ahead and select the rows of our main table. Then go to Format and select Row Height. This time I'll enter 18. Okay, perfect. Okay, one last tip before we finish this session. And you may have seen me doing this already a few times in other sessions. If you would like to quickly auto-fit one or multiple columns, you can simply double-click in the right boundary in your desired selection. Let's illustrate this by changing some of these columns. Alright, first one column. Double-click in the right boundary and automatically auto-fit to the largest value in the column. Neat, right? Likewise, if you need to auto-fit multiple columns, it works the same way. There you go. Try this out. Get some practice with it, test different approaches. That's the best way to learn. Thank you, and see you in the next lesson where we'll be improving our cell management and alignment.